I'm just so excited about it before we start crying.
Because she is recently widowed, and I just wanted the house to really uplift her and relax her and be just a place where she just felt happy.
The scary part in the beginning was watching the tear out, and that upset me a lot. The kids told me I couldn't go back.
Hey y'all, it's Cody here. My mom is about to embark on a home renovation with the help of me and Jessica.
All the memories in that house. Papa always loved everything the way it was. You know, he didn't want change, and I've been wanting to change it for a long time.
One of the challenges is you've accumulated so much stuff over the years. How do you make it look coherent? To me, that's a big challenge.
Now it's just all excitement and anticipation of seeing everything. And I picked everything out. And, you know, it's now I want to see it all together.
An electrician fall through the ceiling.
Oh, and the mirror broke in the bathroom.
And the countertop, I had to jack up the countertop.
Luckily, the electrician was there that day, and
Yeah.
he could move the plug up so that it would push all the way back.
Yeah, the range didn't fit, and I literally had to do surgery on the cabinet.
And then today is the big reveal day, and it's raining, and
Torrential floods, actually.
yeah, we're getting a flood watch.
You hear the thunder rolls. 1 step forward, 2 steps back. All right, Mom, here we go. Welcome home.